Hello students, welcome to another English session with teacher Pedro. And for the topic of today, we are going to study about the activities of a farmer. And the topic of this session is topic 18, what does a farmer do? What does a farmer do? And we are going to start with the introduction of some verbs. Verb number 1. To prepare. Repeat, to prepare. Example, prepare the land. Prepare the land. Okay. Verb number 2, to plant. Repeat, to plant. Example, plant the seeds. Plant the seeds. Verb number 3, to water. Repeat, to water. Example, water the plants. Water the plants. Next, to harvest. Repeat, to harvest. Example, harvest the wheat. Harvest the wheat. Next, to pack. Repeat, to pack. Example, pack the wheat. Pack the wheat. And finally, to send. Repeat, to send. Send the wheat to the supermarket. Send the wheat to the supermarket. Pay attention now, students. And it's very important. Now we are going to check the rules. Add s or es or nothing. And the first observation is for subject. We are going to add s or es if the subject is he, she, it, or similar. Example, the teacher explains correctly. The teacher explains correctly. In this example, we add the letter S. Explain, explains. Now we are going to check the second example. The teachers explain correctly. The teacher explains correctly. In this example, we don't add the letter S in the verb explain because the subject is not he, she, it, or similar. It's teacher. It's plural. Okay? Let's continue with this example, with the endings. Add S or es or nothing. Example, he presents a plan. He presents a plan. Remember, add s if the subject is he, she, or it, or similar. In this example is he. But in the example number 2, they present a plant. The subject is not he, she, or it. It's they. As a result, the verb is present, no s or es. And then pay attention to the end of the verb. Example, architect researches new tool. Architect sends a plan. In this example, we have two ends, the letter es in research and the letter s in send. And remember, for the subject, if the subject is singular, like in number 1 and number 2, we can add the letters es or s according with the verb. If the subject is plural, or is they or we or I, we don't have to add anything to the verb. Example: architects research new tool. Compared to the number 1, architect researches new tool. Architects research new tool. Next, architects send a plan. Again, it's plural, so nothing is important. We don't have to add anything. But check the number 2. Architect, singular, sends a plan. Okay? And that's all for today. Repeat and check this video as much as you can. Okay? Have a good day and have a good time for the study. Bye.